What motivates your daily actions? Discover how a career in financial services can open doors to unforeseen opportunities you might never have imagined before. And this is what I'm about to explain. How do you envision your professional future? How do you assess the value of your time, both now and in the long term? If your boss were to evaluate your worth, would it align with what you're currently being compensated at? Maybe you should consider reflecting on your perceived value and worth. It's that important for you to really assess and audit and appraise your time. You see, history will always repeat itself. You guys remember the Great Recession, the financial crisis in 2008? There were over 3 million foreclosed filings and around 2.6 million jobs that were lost in 2008. And by the end of 2009, more than 15 million people were unemployed. About 500 banks failed as well. Let's not forget 2020, where 49 million Americans lost their jobs. An employer pays you for the worth of the job, not what you are worth. That's called business ownership, aka 100% commission-based 1099. The most predictable job is the one that you control yourself, entrepreneurship. You see, when I was in business school at East Carolina University, I remember the professors teaching me to have a product, good, or service that everybody could want, need, or desire. And guess what, guys? Fast forward many years later, boom, here's life insurance. It's essential to society, a service that provides a need in the darkest moment of someone's life to take a financial burden off their loved ones. Because let's face it, guys, everyone is gonna die. So why North American Senior Benefits, you might ask? Why would I have them as an actual career? Well, we specialize in simplified final expense inside the financial services division. We help people make great buying decisions when it comes to their final expense portfolio. And that's something that's very significant. Who's our target market? Seniors. They hold the greatest market share, baby boomers. That silver tsunami that over the next 16 years, you want a piece of that pie. You want to make sure that you're a part of that impact. This was the largest population growth in history between the years of 1942 and 1964. 76 million people were born. Any market that's tapped into that generation, the baby boomers, the group of people that over 65 is increasing by huge numbers each year and accounts for over 20% of the total population. Guys, there's 56 million seniors right now over the age of 65. So really what separates NASB? Well, I call it the 4 pillars. Vested day one, an in-house effective lead system, advancement for real opportunity, and it's a legitimate brokerage. So, what makes a company great? It's always going to be inside the people. We are a select, invite-only group of professional men and women that operate out of integrity, guts, and a strong work ethic. We don't just sell the dream, you guys. We sell the reality. North American Senior Benefits.